Farmer Meggie here. Today I want you to come with me to explore my friend Kayla's garden. But before we get going, remember to press subscribe if you want to keep seeing more garden videos this summer. All right, let's go.
when they're broody.
Do you know why chickens lay eggs? Because if they dropped them, they'd break. Farmer Kayla has 80 chickens. When it's hot, they play in this kiddie pool to cool off. These are called nesting boxes where the hens go to lay their eggs. Hens with different colored feathers lay different colored eggs, from brown to white to blue. Isn't that egg-cellent? These are the baby chicks. The red light is a heat lamp that helps keep them warm while they grow.
Immediately put them in a box and FedEx them to the stores. Okay, so they get them. The stores will get a call from the post office. Hey, your birds are in. So then these little tiny white worms.
These little white worms are called black fly larvae, which Farmer Kayla feeds to her chickens. Flies lay eggs, and larvae are the babies that hatch out of them.
They won't lay their eggs on food. They'll lay their eggs on beside food, and then the eggs will hatch and drop into the food.
Moving on, let's go see Kayla's beautiful garden where she grows fruits and vegetables. She has built these compost piles like the one we have at school, where she throws food scraps and leaves, and the decomposers break down those nutrients into healthy soil. Another way Kayla helps her plants is by mulching the garden with leftover hay from her neighbor's cow farm. Let's go see what vegetables she loves to eat. On this dill plant, you can see butterflies in different stages of their life cycle. Here's a caterpillar munching on leaves. And this is a chrysalis. A butterfly will come out of it after a couple of weeks. Thank you for letting us explore your farm, Kayla. If you could start your own farm, what would it be like? At home, draw a picture or a map of your dream farm. What kinds of fruits and vegetables would you grow? What kind of animals would you raise? Will there be any flowers for the pollinators? What kind of tools will you need to keep your farm growing? Will you have a compost pile? Remember, this is your creation, so your dream farm can be whatever you like. Until next time, gardeners, keep on growing.